If you also want to make NFTs like this very famous collection that has been sold at a very high price, watch this video until the end. After this collection was sold at the price of 124,000 Ethereum, this style of work became very popular among people. The name of this style is pixel art. You don't need a good system to draw these pictures. You can do this with just one phone. I suggest you two ways. The first way is for mobile and the second way is for all operating systems. It doesn't even need to install the app. For mobile, you just need to search Pixel Studio in Google Play. When this program comes to you, download and install it, enter it, and after clicking on this 3-line option, click on the Create New option. Here you can specify the size of your image based on pixels. After completing these steps, you can easily create your own pixel art and convert it to NFT. If you cannot access this program, follow the second way that I suggest. In this way, you don't even need to install the program. Just search for pixel art in your browser and enter this site. As you can see, this page is exactly like the Pixel Studio page. Click on the New Drawing option and select the size. Just to extract the file here, you can click on the File option and select Export and download your file. Also, if you have not completed your design, just select the Export as Pixel option on the File option and download the file. In this way, you can continue this project later, just by clicking on the File option and choosing the Import Pixel option. You can easily continue your previous project. You can share your pixel art with me on my Instagram page. I hope the collection you made will sell. Good luck. Until the next video, stay rich.